Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So today I am going to show you how you can use the Porto theme. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Porto. Okay, so yes, the Porto theme in WordPress, how you can use the built-in VP WP Bakery editor to reuse parts of one page and then reuse them on another page. And before I show you, just a small request, videos like these, as you can notice, takes a lot of time and energy. So if you subscribe to the channel, that will mean a lot to me. And if you could also like and share, that would be awesome. So without further ado, let me show you how you can do that. So a typical use case is, let me open the front page of this website. This is for a client. It's an Arabic website. So if I go to this page, I'm sorry if you don't understand Arabic, but this is a page for courses. And then, for example, if I go into brewing here, sorry about this, I have to fix this issue. So this website is made using Porto. And let's say if I want to reuse this part, okay, I want to take out this part and I want to use it in another page, just this part, because this is the recent addition that I added. So what I would do is I will go to I'll edit this page. Okay, I'll make sure that the WBakery page builder is selected instead of the Elementor builder, because Porto theme comes with both editors. So I'll select the WP Bakery page editor. All right, and then what I would do is I will click on this button, which is called the templates. All right, and I'll save this as, okay, I'll say courses. Okay, and I'll just save it with date. Today is 29, first month, 2022. Okay, and I'll click on save template. So now I have the complete page saved as a template. Now what I would do is, now this is something which I wish the Porto theme developers had it. Like, I wish I could select just part of the page and I added to a template, but I could not find any way to do that. So what I ended up doing is I saved the whole page as a template, but then what I did is I had to go through this additional step where I create a new page. Let's say this new page is uh okay, the server is kind of slow. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so this new page is test page. Okay, test page. And what I would do is I will publish it. Okay. And now I'll click on WP Bakery page builder. Right now the builder is there. I'll click on the backend editor. Okay, so this is like an empty canvas. I'll click on the templates part, and the courses page was this. Okay, let me just move myself here. So this is where is the courses page? This is courses. Yes, this is the one that I created. So I'll just click on it. Okay, and once I click on it, okay, all the elements are there. All right, but what I really want is I just want to extract some parts of the page. So what I would do is I'll just delete the other ones. Okay, I'll just delete the other ones and I just keep the ones that I want to save as a template, and I'll delete everything. So now I have these. So what I would do is I'll go to templates again and I'll name it as courses part of the page. Okay, and just because since I have so many templates, I'll save it as this, save template. All right, so this is a workaround. Now I have this area, this part only saved as a template. And what I would do is, even if I just refresh this page, let's say if I refresh this page, since it was empty, okay, back in editor. Now if I click here and I go to courses, let's search for, okay, courses, part of the page. Okay, so I click this and here you go. So you have those three elements that you created as a template now coming here as part of the page, and you can reuse them anywhere as long as you're using the WP Bakery page builder. And to demonstrate this, let me just save this page. Okay, update. I could click on the preview as well, but yeah, I have this bad habit of saving it and then viewing the page. So, okay. So yeah, here you go. We have those three elements that I showed you initially in the video, part of this page now, or essentially what I would do is I would reuse them in an existing page instead of adding them into a new page. So yeah, guys, I hope this video was helpful for all of you. And don't forget to please subscribe. It means a lot. You know, it takes a lot of time and energy, as I mentioned. So if you just hit on the subscribe button, wouldn't cost you much. It will really support and help me out. Thank you so much. And I hope you will also enjoy and watch other videos that I have made on tech. Some are better than this one. This one is just raw and I just created, like I'm just recording and I'm just uploading it. No rehearsals, nothing. But yeah, I'm so tired working on this project. So I thought, okay, why not record this before I forget? All right. Thank you so much. Peace and all the best in your website development journey.